One of Apple's biggest successes of this decade isn't the Apple Watch, or the HomePod, or even the iPad. Instead, it's the Airpods, Apple's wireless earpods launched following the removal of the headphone jack from the iPhone 7. Airpods have found a massive fan base thanks to their ease of use, their long battery lives, and their auto connection feature. If your AirPods are acting up or you just got a new phone, you might need to reset your AirPods. Here's how to do it. Grab your AirPods and your iPhone. You'll need both AirPod buds along with the case included for storage and charging. Start by making sure both the case and the AirPods are sufficiently charged. You may want to plug your AirPods into their charger for a while to ensure you have enough power. Once charged, grab your AirPods and turn the case over. On the back of the case of your AirPods, there's a small circular button flush with the plastic of the case. This serves as a way for you to check the battery of your AirPods, but you can also use it to reset your AirPods with your iPhone, since you may not always be able to do it using the software of your device. Open the AirPods case, then press the button on the back of your AirPods case and hold it down for about 20 seconds. Look for the indicator within the case to begin flashing white, then flashing amber, which indicates that your AirPods have been reset. If you're looking to sell or give away your AirPods, you can rest easy that they've been fully reset. If you are having issues using your AirPods with your phone, you can now repair your headphones with your iPhone by opening the case near your phone and hitting connect. If you're still having playback issues with your AirPods, contact Apple for a warranty replacement. If you enjoyed this guide, make sure to check out these other videos you might like and subscribe to Tech Junkie for brand new videos every day.